everybody, this is Plague 563. Today I'll be showing you a tutorial on the Nintendo. Now, the tutorial is on how to set it up and how to play some games. So, for this example, we will be playing some Zelda. So, the first step that you want to do is you want to plug in the Nintendo to the TV. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay guys, so what you want to do, I know this is kind of bad, but basically what you want to do is in the video port, this one, you want to plug in the yellow one. And on the audio port, you want to plug in this red one right here. This one that I'm shaking. Okay, let me show you the second step, second step, which will be hooking it up to your Nintendo. So to plug in the things to the Nintendo, all you gotta do is plug the red one into the audio port and the yellow one into the video port. Now I'm gonna show you the third step, which is putting in your controller. Now you guys, this third step is pretty simple. All you gotta do is you gotta grab your controller and grab the end of the plug. Make sure it is facing this way and then turn it this way and stick it into the player 1 port. Now guys, step 4 is super duper easy, or it's kind of tough. But anyway, so actually no, it's not tough, sorry. So the fourth step is you want to go to your TV and you want to go ahead and turn it on. Now, depending on which video you put it on, see, for me, I put it on video 1. So let me go to video 1. That doesn't look good. Come on, change. There we go. Video 1. So that's on video 1. I'm going to go ahead and go to step 4. Wait, is it step 4? No, it's step 5, sorry. So step 5 is super duper easy. All you gotta do is you gotta press this button, and you may notice that your TV kind of does this weird thing where it kind of flashes from yellow. So for step 6, for putting in a game, you want to open this up and you want to get your game. You want to put it in the thing. Make sure that it's nice and tight in there. You want to put it down. Now your thing might be doing something like this, or it might do something else. So what you want to do is you want to open that back up. Kind of want to make sure that's in there. Kind of shift it around a little bit. Pop it back in. And it's still doing the same thing. Hold on guys, let me get to fix this. Okay guys, I got it to be working. As you can see, because I chose the game Zelda. So now that I've done that, what I can do is, okay, so guys, you might need to put in the game. So, hold on, let me show you guys. So if you turn this on, the game's like, not down, and then you put it down, and it's like doing this. I figured it out. Is that just take the game out, press the power button, and then you actually have to put it in, then press the power button. Oh, sorry. That time it didn't work. You might have to turn it off, take it out, blow on it, shove it back in, make sure that it's clicked, put it down, close it, turn it on, And then see, now it works. So that's what you guys want to do. And then just to show you some proof, I will be playing. So, hold on, how do I put this on here? I'll just have it be like that. I'll just hold it. So let's just click start. Let's do that. Let's just have, I don't know. I don't know, just some random name. It really doesn't matter. And then you're going to want to click select. And I'm going to go all the way down there. And then see, I'm playing, just to show you guys some proof. If I click the forward button, it walks forward, backwards, left, right. And if I go get the sword, let me go get the sword. Okay, let me go get the sword. Okay, now I have the sword. So as you guys can see, I'm doing that. So yeah, that's the full tutorial. Okay, goodbye. Bye, guys.